Fine. You bet. I'm going to tie you to the sled and tie the sled to me. So you can't go anywhere but down. Okay. Are you ready, Leah? Are you ready? Are you really ready?
Wow, that's fast.
That's even faster. Hey, Leah!
Oh no, she has to hold on. Bryce.
Yeah, wait, Heidi. Was that good or too fast?
Too fast.
Do you want to go slower this time?
Yeah.
Okay. Go slow. Oh, well, that ends well.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey Leah, look at me. Okay. Leah, look at me.
Okay, you can see the video. Okay,
Okay.
go look at Ema. Say hi
Say
and
bye.
tell her how it was.
Bye!